Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
Hey guys, in this video I am going to share job openings for teaching professionals from Mohamad Sathak Matriculation and Higher Secondary School. So it is located in Chennai. So they are recruiting teachers for academic year 2022 and 23 for primary level and high school level. So in the primary level they are recruiting for English, social science, physical education and computer science subjects. So in the high school level, they are recruiting for English, social science and Tamil subjects. You must have BEd qualifications, and if you are interested to apply for any of the job role, you can drop your resume on this mail ID.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.